Assalamu alaikum. In this video we are going to draw a cross-head block which is one of the part of crane block assembly. Make a diagram as a reference. First we have to open a new part in a Solidworks. Select a plane which you want to sketch here. After selecting a plane, make it to the normal view. Go to the sketch. Select a rectangle. Draw a rectangle as per the dimensions. Give the dimension as per the reference of drawing. Specify the dimension for rectangle, say 125 into 75. Make it to the extrude as say 150 mm. So go to the features, exit the sketch, go to the features, select the extrude boss with corresponding to our sketch. Give the extrusion thickness as here 150 mm, which must be at the mid plane. Click OK. Then we have to select a face which you want to sketch. Make it the normal view. Here we have to draw a circle. Give the corresponding dimension for a circle as per the reference drawing and click OK. Make it to the extrude, exit the sketch, go to the features, select a circle, and you have to specify the thickness to be extruded here as per the reference diagram. Then click OK. Again you have to select a face which you want to sketch. You have to draw a concentric circle here. After drawing a concentric circle, exit the sketch. Before that we have to give a corresponding dimension as per the reference drawing. Then exit the sketch, go to the features, select extrude boss, specify the amount of thickness to be extruded as per the reference drawing. Then click OK. Likewise, we have to draw a one more concentric circle here. So select a face and go to the sketch, draw a concentric circle. The dimension of the third circle is corresponding to the first circle. So in this sketch, give the extrusion amount of thickness to be produced here. Then click OK. After that you have to select a mid plane for a mirror option. Go to the mirror entities. Select a features to be mirrored. Select our corresponding features. And then click OK. Now the mirror command is successfully created here. After that we have to make a sketch on your top plane. Here we have to use a hole wizard for produce a counter bored hole. Select a hole wizard. The new dialog box is appearing here left side. Here we have to select a type of the hole to be produced. Then we have to give the customized sizing of a counter bored hole. You have to specify the sizing as per your reference drawing. Give the dimension as per the drawing. Now you have to specify the position of hole to be produced. Click a center point to produce the hole. Now you have to change the type. End condition. end condition is substituted, change it to the throw all, then click OK. Now the hole is to be produced successfully here. After that you have to apply the color for a good aesthetic look. Select appearances to the whole body with a corresponding color to be selected here. Then click OK. Now the crosshair block is successfully produced with the corresponding dimension as per the reference drawing. Then we have to save the component for the purpose of crane pulley block assembly. So save our component at a required location for your future usage. Inshallah, we will meet in the next video with the crane pulley block assembly. Assalamu